All right. Yes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is just watching right now. Yes, today we are going to learn on something that I have not been uploading video for this one, and this time around I've decided to bring it back so that we can still get more tips about this protective hairstyle, and it's going to be the sponge dreads. So if you want to join me on this one, please make sure you give me your time and click on that red button, ring the bell as usual, so that we can be learning together every time I upload a video here. Yes, once again, my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I would like to appreciate everyone who is watching me wherever country you are in. Just know I love you so much and much respect. Yes, this time around I told you that please you should learn how to do the inside cornrows, and this is the way we start the inside cornrows. So this hairstyle is just going to be 2-in-1. You just learn how to do these inside cornrows like this. You see, I started even the courses on how to do these inside cornrows. Yes, if those ones who want to learn each step by step, you can just go on my on our website, that is www.hairbyclippers.com. So this hairbyclippers.com, when you see hair by clippers, don't get twisted. I always tell you that one is my salon. Yes, so don't get twisted. And still we have a channel for it. You can still go and subscribe on it. It's where, like, I always add these videos when that's long, when I cannot show you everything. I decided to be putting there the weave-ons and to explain more about these hairstyles. So if you want to learn more about this protective hairstyle, you can still go and follow us on Hair by Clippers channel. Yes, that is my salon. So indeed, we are still on the Maurice the Crochet Master channel, and we're trying to learn. So as you have seen, I just had to do it first. We have made the going back cornrows and the inside cornrows. I always tell you the secret why I do the inside cornrows is just because the cornrows last longer than these other cornrows. It's simply because it grows from inside. You understand what I'm saying? It cannot swell immediately, so it will just grow with the hair from inside. And now we are crocheting the way we always crochet, and I'm doing crocheting the Afro kinky. Yeah, but for this one you can use any kink you have. It can still do it better. So this is how you have to do it. And I always tell you that the crochet that you're going to do is the one that you like. The corners that you do are the ones that gives you the crochet that you're supposed to do. So most people do mistakes just because they do the wrong cornrows on wrong crochets. You understand? That's why you find someone is saying, I can never play crochet. It's just because of that one thing that we always do. So the only thing you can do, make the right cornrow on the right crochet. So this time around I knew that I'm going to be doing the sponge dread, and I tried to make my cornrows going behind. And still, those ones who would like to do it puff, you can still do it, but I've done it going behind in that I can get my line, because I want to have a sideway line. What I like about this hair, it can last longer and protecting your hair also. And another thing, it's very easy to maintain then, and you can wash it obviously. So those ones with long hair, this is the best hair for you. Like, you can have this short hair, like those ones who want to do short hair without cutting your hair, you can do with this short hair. Trust me, you will love it and it will work for you. So this time around, I'm doing it this way, and trust me, it is doing wonders for me. So me, I'm using Afro Kinky, but for you, you can use any kinky that you have. Even if you have the soft kinky, the Mali kinky, you can still use it. It's all kinky. So when I'm done with that, I make sure that I pack every space of the corners, and then I start doing the shaping. I always tell you that it is very hard for me to teach you how to shape, just because we all have different arts in our head. It's like whenever you're going to shape this hairstyle, it means you have to shape it according to what you feel in your head and what you want your client to look like. You understand? So it means if your client looks bad, that means you also didn't want her to look bad, or maybe that's the picture you had in your mind. So just better you have to make sure that you first make your brain and your art look good from your head, and then when you bring it here, you'll just do the exact what you feel in your head. Though the only thing that I can advise you here, because I can just only give you the tips when you're doing it, you just have to make sure you follow the forehead. But those people with long foreheads and those ones with short foreheads. But all in all, it is always hard to plait this hair for those ones with short forehead. Trust me, sometimes for me, those ones who comes with short forehead, I always chase them. Yeah, I always tell them not to do it because I know the outcome is not good. So that sometimes people look at some hairstyles and they feel they want it, they feel they can do it, but the problem is now doing it is the problem. You understand? So that's why I always say that please make sure you follow these tips, because they help a lot. It's not just a matter of watching a video and then you see how I do it, but you don't listen to the words that I be saying, because these words sometimes they help you a lot. So someone with short forehead, it is very, very hard to do this kind of a hairstyle. I would always advise at least you do it on someone with long forehead. So at times when you reach on that step, when you feel you can do a sponge dread on your client, I just bring my my setting lotion, and then I put it there. Then I add some shampoo. So I start rubbing like this, and this is always the way we do the natural the sponge dreads for the natural hair only. So I just imagine that this is the hair. You understand? That this is the natural hair that someone has got. So I'm doing the sponge dread from it. So that is the only trick that you can do. So from that, as you're doing it, you just have to keep on trimming. And I told you one thing, that here, like where I'm cutting, is always important, because some people's here where I'm cutting, it is, this part is always important. You have to make sure that you perfect this part, because most of the times it's where the saga comes from. You find someone has left a lot of hair, and then someone looks like you have a back bush. You understand? So it means you won't look good at all. So you just have to shape the hair according to what you feel in your head and how you want your client to look like. So for me, I already have it in my mind that I'm going to do it when she has got a line on the sides, and when she like I do it in some sort of a cut. You understand? So this is what I chose to do for her. And please, I get this for you, and please help me. Go in my comment section, tell me wherever you're watching from, and indeed if you love Maurice the Crochet Master, you can still show some love. Yes, by going right in my comment section, tell me wherever you are. If you like my work, yes, we can still continue. And I would advise like to mix the two channels. Yeah, if it disturbs you though, it can help a lot. Yeah, so that you can know the wave-ons, and then here you just come and know what you can do with the wave-on, because I still add a lot of explanation, because the things I do just come from my head, so it takes a lot for you to understand it. That's why most of them who try to copy, sometimes they fail. It's just because they lack explanation. So just go the other channel of Hair by Clippers, you subscribe, so that we can go this together. And please, this is what I got for you. I love you so much. May God bless you. Let me sign out. Wow, perfect. And now she can stay with it for like 4 months, 5 months. Yes, when she can be able to wash it. The only thing is when you have bad hairline, that's the bad thing. But when you have good hairline, this is always the best. And still, if you have bad hairline, you can still do it, but like it comes out quickly when you have bad hairline. You understand? Like in front, but it's very, very protective. I love you so much. May God bless you.